Hello everyone, my name is Stream and welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be learning about C in statement in C++. So C in statement is used to get input from the user. Whenever we want to get data from the user as input, we'll be using C in statement, and we can get data in the form of numbers. We can get data in the form of text. We can get data in the form of Boolean values. So whatever value you want to enter, you can do it with the help of cin statement. Cin stands for character input. The syntax of cin statement is very simple. You have to first write this cin function name. After that, you have to write extraction operator, which is 2 greater than signs. And after that, you have to write the name of the variable. And you can use multiple variables here, but you have to separate all the variables with extraction operator. I have mentioned an example here, which is cin extraction operator number. So in this program or in this example, the value that user will enter will be assigned to this variable number. So now we'll be discussing some programs to understand the concept of cin statement. So first of all, I'll be creating an integer variable and I'm going to name it num. So let's suppose I want to get the value from the user. For that, I'll be using cin statement, and I want to get the value of number num from the user. So now when I will execute the program, the console screen will be opened in front of me and a cursor will start blinking in front of me. This blinking of cursor means that program wants input from me. So now let's suppose I have entered 1 2, and after that I have entered, I press the enter button, the program will stop working. This value 12 will be assigned to that variable number that is being used in cin statement. I'm going to write another program. Here I'll be first getting the value of C number from the user, and then I'm going to display it on the screen using cout statement. Now when I will run the program, first the user will enter the value. So I'm going to enter 13. This value will be assigned to that variable num, and when the output will be the same as 13. So on the first line, 13 is the entered value, on the second line, 13 is the output value. Okay. One more thing, this is not compulsory, but I think you should you do it because your program should be interactive. So whenever you are writing a program, your program should display messages so that the user won't get confused what to enter and what to not. So you can print any message. For example, enter a number to make this program interactive. Now, and you can use the value of number is num. So now you will see a better program where first there will be a message, enter a number, you'll see it. Then a cursor is blinking. It means that you have to enter a value. So I'll be entering 5. And now when I will press the enter button, the value of number 5, the number is 5, message has been displayed on the screen. So this is how you can use cin statement with integers. Similarly, you can use cin statement with float. and character. So I think that's it for the scene statement. If there is any question, please let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.